Two teens, 14 and 16 years old, are accused tonight of robbing a bank in Westwood. Tonight, they're locked up. 9 on your side's Ashley Zilka is live at Cheviot Savings Bank with more on why police say the boys did this in the first place. Ashley.
Well, Craig, detectives say this pair was on a mission. They came inside this bank and demanded cash from two separate tellers, but once outside, they didn't make it too far.
Thank God I wasn't 15 minutes sooner.
Nancy Ashbrook was on her way to Cheviot Savings Bank when she noticed something was wrong.
There was a crime scene van and probably about 6 or 7 police officers, Cincinnati.
I came out to go shopping and I saw the whole area taped up.
The reason for all of the commotion, police tell us a 14 and 16-year-old had just robbed the bank. Money in hand, they ran across Glenway Avenue.
You hate to see any juvenile be involved in something because potentially there's so much danger. Enter into a bank and demanding cash. So many things could have went wrong.
Detective Stewart says the 14-year-old is suspended from school. The 16-year-old is homeless and thought with enough money he could come home.
You have the 16-year-old who very articulate and very remorseful, but for whatever reason found he couldn't stay home and was living between homes, between friends.
I was shocked. I was shocked. That is just crazy. I mean, I don't know. I kind of feel sorry for him a little bit, you know?
You have to understand, neither one of these two young men, they don't have a record. They have no record.
Now, with the help of witnesses, Cincinnati and Green Township Police were able to arrest the boys. Right now, they are both in custody at the Juvenile Detention Center. And listen to this, Cheviot Savings Bank was actually closing for good today. Another bank is taking it over tomorrow. Reporting live, Ashley Zilka, 9 on your side.
All right, Ashley, thanks.